Today, I'm going to experience Santorini on a private helicopter tour. This is a volcanic island, and I'm going to see all of its natural beauty from above. From above, you can see Oia, the volcano, and the island's red beaches.
Wow. This is my favorite view by far.
There is endless natural beauty on this tour. From the dark volcanic rock to the turquoise blue ocean, it's truly magnificent.
This has been absolutely incredible.
Oh, I'm back on solid ground. That was absolutely incredible. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. When you come to somewhere this beautiful, I highly recommend splurging on a helicopter ride.